here the question is saying a number is divisible by 12, by what other numbers will that be divisible? We had recently learned the divisibility test, and then we had learned some divisibility properties, and there what you had learned, if any number is divisible by another number, then that number is also divisible by the factors of the another number, right? Like it means like if 36 is divisible by 6, then 36 will be divisible by the factors of the 6 also. Factors of the 6 are 1, 2, 3, and the 6 itself, so I'm not willing to write the 6. So 36 can be divided by 1 also, can be divided by 2 also, and can be divided by the 3 also. That was the divisibility property. So similarly here we have now 12. Alright, so a number is divisible by 12. I don't care, any number is there, in this box, I don't care, that is divisible by 12 perfectly. Alright, so I know that this must be divisible by the factors of the 12. So factors of the 12s are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6. You can write 12 also, alright, but the 12 is itself here, so I'm not mentioning that. So a number which is divisible by 12 will be divisible by the factors of the 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. It's just an example, 12 is just an example. So it's a kind of generalization property. We have already learned the divisibility property. Any number that is divisible by another number, then that number will be divisible by the factors of that number. Let me give one more example. Like here 20 is divisible by 10. Alright, so 20 must be divisible by the factors of the 10. Alright, factors of the 10 are then 2, factors of the 10 are 1, factors of the 10 are 5, and the 10 itself. So we know that 20 can be divided by 1 in 20 time, 20 can be divided by 2, we'll get result 10, and 20 can be divided by 5, you'll get 4, right? And 20 can be divided by 10 itself, we know that, 2 times. So it is something like this. Any number, suppose one more I'm taking here, suppose 16. Okay, so 16 is divisible by any number, you say divisible by 8. Okay, so 16 is divisible by 8, it means 16 is divisible by the factors of the 8 also. So factors of the 8 are 1, 2, 4, and the number 8 itself. So you know that 16 can be divided by 1 and 16 times, 16 can be divided by 2 and 8 times, and 16 can be divided by 4 and 4 times. Right, so it is something like this. I hope you understand this question.